If you have problem with this one of the problem is if it starts and shuts down like in 2 seconds. One of them is the alternator belt, so it doesn't see the voltage on the start and it will shut it down right away. The other one is the coolant sensor, is right here on top of it. So you keep snapping my belts. It's a second belt on my APU unit. And I'm just gonna clean the rust. I believe it has some build-ups. The alternator one. It has some resistance. And we're gonna clean inside. Just make sure everything is good and aligned, so it's not gonna break the belts anymore. So I've got 2 shapes. I'll start with the finest one and round it. Yeah, I like it. Should be good. What you can do, undo 4 bolts here and oh fuck. No, my belt is good. So now we're gonna fit the bottom.